Coming up today on Homemade Live.
It's all about date night dinners.
There's something nice about staying in.
Nigel Barker from America's Next Top Model will be hanging out in the kitchen.
I do feel a little bit like I'm in a Weight Watchers before and after photo, but that's fine.
Nigel will show me how to make the date night dinner he and his wife are still making 25 years later.
It's like a fusion of Thai food meets Indian food.
Okay, I'm like really into that.
Yeah.
Plus, I'll be recreating the first meal I cooked for my bride, Angelina.
These are the exact scallops that landed my wife. Do you think this led to that?
It helped.
Okay, great. It's all coming up right now.
On Homemade Live.
Hey, I'm Joel, a dad, husband, and sustainable chef in Seattle, Washington. I believe the best ingredient on earth isn't what's on the plate, it's actually what's around the plate. The people, the places, the stories. That's what inspired Homemade Live. Each week we go live from our kitchen in front of a studio audience with famous friends. We share food memories and recreate them on the spot. Welcome to Homemade Live.
Funding for Homemade Live is made possible by
the American Diabetes Association has been here for more than 80 years.
But we don't want to exist.
We don't want diabetes to overtake us.
To rob us.
To break us.
So we're standing tall.
Rallying for affordable care.
Lifting up people in need.
And seeking a cure through research.
So we can help end diabetes for good.
Someday you won't need us.
Until then,
we fight.
Fourth and Heart Ghee Butter, a non-GMO lactose-free alternative to butter and cooking oils made from grass-fed and pasture-raised cows.
Yeah! Thank you! Thank you! Woo! Okay, we're done.